This is probably the most significant ruling the Supreme Court has made on the Second Amendment, expanding gun rights, and probably the most dangerous. It's sweeping. It will have a big impact. It will mean more guns and more violence and more crime in all likelihood. When the Second Amendment was ratified in 1791, there were 33,000 people living in New York City. Now there are 8 million and more. The notion that more guns, more people secretly carrying guns, more people who think they're a good guy with a gun, the notion that that's going to make everybody safer would be a surprise to most New Yorkers, I suspect. But the impact of this ruling goes well beyond even New York and its law. The country is moving in one direction, and the Supreme Court just lurched very hard in the other direction. This ruling comes out at a time when the country is reeling from all these horrible mass shootings, when we all know about the everyday violence from guns in our communities and in people's lives, and where Congress, on a bipartisan basis, for the first time in a long time, is actually crafting some legislation to address guns and gun violence. At this very moment, this very, very doctrinaire decision from the Supreme Court saying, oh, judges should no longer balance the individual right against the needs of public safety, but judges should only look at the question of what history there was going back 200 years. That's going to make it very hard for states and even the federal government to know what kinds of laws it can pass.